It's delicious.
Hey everybody, this is Dee from Dee's Delicious Bites, and I'm back, back with another video, mukbang and cooking show. Everybody, let's go, check out my video. If you wanna get it right, come join Delicious Bites, check it, video, check out my video. So today, you guys, I am going to put together my creamy delicious bite sauce, my creamy spicy garlic butter bite sauce. I did give the recipe out and I do have that video up, but I did have a subscriber ask me how do I put it together. They actually wanted to see me put it together. So that's what I'm going to do. So before we go any further, to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button, for liking my videos, and for liking my content, and for coming back to see me again on my oldies but goodies. If you've been in it for a minute, thank you as well for coming back. Let's get into this recipe because I don't want it to be too long.
This is a Chuki Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production. This is a Chucky Beat production.
So you guys, the sauce has been cooking for a little while, letting it cook down. I added a little bit of parsley for color because I like parsley. And then for the flour, we're just going to whisk that in a little bit at a time. And then add the lemon juice. So you guys, this is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you try this sauce, and I hope you love it as much as I do and realize that it is definitely a sauce that can be repurposed for many, many things. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. So until I see you and you see me, be beautiful, be blessed, be the best you that you can possibly be. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.